Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to easily delete messages in WhatsApp on your PC. If you've sent a message by mistake or want to remove a message from a chat, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp first. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account and have access to your chats. Step 2. Go to desired chat. Navigate to the chat where the message you want to delete is located. You can do this by clicking on the chat from your chat list. Step 3. Delete the message. To delete a message, simply follow these steps. 1. Right-click on the message you want to delete. 2. From the menu that appears, select Delete. And that's it. The selected message will now be deleted from the chat, removing it from the conversation. Deleting messages in WhatsApp on your PC is a handy feature that allows you to correct mistakes or remove any unwanted messages. It helps you maintain clear and accurate conversations. Please note that deleting a message will only remove it from your end. The message will still be visible to the recipient as in their chat unless they also delete it. And there you have it! By following these simple steps, you can easily delete messages in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Until next time, take care and happy messaging.